Were you reading the directions, sir? We need batteries.
Like everything else in nature, flowers are born without their days.
Yay! Lift off! So, you have your new globe. Yeah, where do the reindeer live? They live in Russia. And Russia is up here. The Yakutia people. They live with the reindeer. They herd them. And that's where they get their fur so they can stay warm in all that terrible cold. This is the Earth. Where's South America? South America is, I'm gonna go down. South America's under here. They speak Spanish there, and some of them speak Portuguese. That's South America. Yeah. Cranberry oatmeal cookies. Are you gonna make banana cake? I thought I was supposed to do that. No, that's not how you make banana cake. You have to wait till Mom is done with tacos. Then Nan will make banana cake. Those are not the bananas. I'm going to use these bananas because they are ripe. Really ripe. You know what ripe means? You see all those brown spots? That means ripe. That means the bananas are ripe. I'm making a big banana cake. And we have coconut whipped cream. Yeah.